Hi, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making a very simple sandwich, which we all do. We have so many variations. Here is mine. See how you like it. Just a very simple recipe. There is no recipe actually. They're very simple ingredients to put together. Although there is a chutney that I'm going to show you, which I'm pretty sure you have different versions. You might add mint to it, you might add lemon to it, but here you go. We need a couple of tomatoes, 2 potatoes, and mild cheddar cheese. So I'm just slicing it in my good friend slicer. Here is the potato, and the slices are going to be pretty thin, so you can have like a generous amount on the sandwich. Here is a onion. You don't need the whole of it because the slices are quite thin and we don't want too much onion in the sandwich, right? So here you go. Our base is ready. There is a coconut there, and then 1 garlic clove and coriander and a little bit of onion. That gives a cool, really a sandwich chutney taste to it. Little bit of salt to taste, and here you go. We're going to mix it all up and make a nice good chutney out of it. You can add a seasoning. You can add a little bit of cumin seeds if you like to that. That will also give you a bit of a different taste. And now it's assembly time. Butter, little bit of salt, tomatoes, potatoes, onions, cheese, and a good nice wheat bread. I'm going to butter one side and the other one is going to be with the chutney. You can decide how much you want to put on, if you want to put it on both the sides as well. And then we're going to put some onions, then goes the tomatoes and potatoes, and a cheese to top it all. And now this is going to go into my panini. We all know how it works. So the sandwich is ready. I put it in for like a couple of minutes. These nice grooves look really good on the sandwich. The taste is amazing, of course. There you go, some nice good lunch or dinner or a snack. Enjoy!